Good morning, legends. Well, today we have a special sweet treat. Daisy is making her famous
baked Greek cheesecake. It's absolutely delicious.
It's not too overly difficult either. Like, it's got sugar, flour, yogurt, ginger nuts we use here in Australia. If you're overseas, you can use graham crackers or sweet crackers. You need 2 packs of cream cheese, 3 eggs, bit of lemon zest, some butter, vanilla essence, and your utensils. You just need a blender for your biscuits,
bowl,
and you need a springform cheesecake
tin,
which we'll show you how to measure that up now.
I just get a Sharpie, just go around it like that, just like you would have when you were at school, and then you cut it and put it in there. Very, very
So we're just going to squeeze the paper in there. Kind of go up a little bit up the sides, doesn't matter.
Yeah. When you put the cheesecake filling in, it actually comes way over, so that's okay. So what I'm going to do for my biscuit base, right, because I like to make a biscuit base. Some people can make a pastry base. I don't do that. So it's 100 grams of butter to 200 grams of ginger nuts.
Or graham crackers, whatever you got.
Yeah, so yeah, just weigh up 100. Melted in the microwave, and then add it to my crushed ginger nuts. So if you don't have a big blender like me, you have to do it in batches. Okay, that's it. Okay, so you've got your breadcrumbs like that. You got your 100 grams of melted butter. And you just pour it in together, and you watch it come into a biscuit base. Okay. You've got to stir it quite well, but it will all go through. It just takes a little bit of time.
And we've preheated the oven to 165 Celsius on a non-fan forced option if you have it, but if fan forced is still okay if you do. Mix all that in now.
It's all coming together like that. Okay, and then you just pour it into your tin. Like that. And then you've got to very neatly push it all down, and you've got to make a base. Okay. Right, well, I've taken some time and I've got a base there. Now what I'm going to do with this base while I do the rest of the cake is put it in the deep braise, because the butter will go hard again and sort of keep it all as a nice looking base before it goes in the oven.
And if you're enjoying the music in the background, it's our own music, which is now on Spotify and YouTube Music. Just search Genxplorers and it'll all come up.
Okay, so I've got 2 blocks of cream cheese, and they say it's got to be room temperature. So, they say now with the recipe is just to throw everything in, but I like to actually get that a little bit softer before I start throwing everything in. I suppose everyone's going to do it their own way.
This is our way. It's our recipe. You just need a hand mixer, nothing too extravagant, like a $30 hand mixer.
And big muscles. See? I like to just do that. And now, basically, the rest is just throw everything in, believe it or not. Okay. So, in goes, so that's some lemon zest I did earlier. 1 cup of sugar. 1/4 cup of plain flour, all-purpose flour, with my vanilla essence. You meant to measure it, but I don't. I just put in a squeeze.
That's enough. Strong stuff.
Yeah. And then 3 eggs, so room temperature. A little trick my gran taught me when I was learning to cook with my gran. She's an amazing cook. Always break your egg into something different in case it's off. I mean, you can normally smell an off egg, but you just never know, and you would hate all that to go to waste. So I always just crack my eggs just to make sure they're fine. 3 eggs. There we go. Now, yogurt. Plain Greek yogurt. And you're going to have 1 cup and 2/3. 1 and 2/3. There. So it's 1 cup going in. So you see, it's really a simple recipe. Yeah, nothing too complicated about it. Just a lot of ingredients. And I don't. You always pay so much for cheesecake when you go to buy a piece. It's always so expensive. But it's so simple to make.
Yeah, probably ingredients for this would be about $6, $7 with your yogurt and butter.
Yeah, but you get so many pieces, like it's a whole cake. It's not just okay. Now, mussels comes in.
You buy one from the supermarket for $7, but yeah, it'll be full of seed oils and powdered eggs and yeah, not the good stuff. Said guys, he wasn't multi-talented. But she's holding her breath while she does it.
I'm holding the what?
Holding your breath.
Oh, well, this could go viral if it all fell on the floor. We'd be licking it off the floor.
My dog will love it.
So this has been in the deep freeze for a while, and it's gone. You can see it's gone nice and hard. It's, if you could feel it, it's really hard. And our beautiful mix. See how creamy it is.
This recipe just gets harder and harder.
We just pour it in. Nothing complicated at all about.
Make sure you do your spring form up. We could have a really big mess.
Yeah, and that's how easy it is. And then it's going to go into the oven for, what was it, 45 minutes at 160 degrees.
This is very hot.
Okay, and 45 minutes. Right, so mine actually had 50 minutes in the oven, and you see, tiny little bit of a wobble, that's perfect.